Imagine if you could give yourself a pay raise on YouTube. Wow, that'd be sweet. I could go on vacation, upgrade my YouTube gear, or pay off some bills. This video gets a CPM, or cost per thousand views, over $165 and an RPM over $92. This video only gets a CPM over $5 and an RPM over $2. Obviously the first video will generate more ad revenue than the second video with the same number of views. In this video I'm going to show you 6 ways to increase your ad revenue and CPM so you can make more money from YouTube. Here's how to find the videos on your YouTube channel with high CPM. Log into YouTube channel and click on Analytics in your YouTube dashboard. Click on Revenue, then click See More. This will show you all the videos that generate the most revenue for your YouTube channel. If you want to add the CPM metric, click the plus sign, select CPM. Now you'll see the cost per thousand views for all your videos. You also have the RPM, which gives you the revenue that you make after the 55-45 split. For example, this video has a CPM of $122.30. The video that has the lowest CPM is this one with $5.42. Obviously, if I want to generate more revenue, I'm going to choose those topics that get a higher CPM. I also want those videos to get a lot of views, because the more views you get, the more money you'll make. Hey, if you're getting value out of the content so far, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you can receive more content like this every week. The ADSENSE program uses geotargeting to serve ads on your videos. The ads are specific to a user's region and language based upon their IP address. This means the ads served to a person in Australia will differ from the ads served to a person in the USA. As you can see from my graphic, the top geographies by CPM includes the United States, Australia, Canada, United Kingdom, and Netherlands. Let me ask you a question. What's the highest CPM you've ever got from a video on your channel? Post your answer in the comments below. I'd love to read them, and I'm sure others would too. If you want to generate more ad revenue, create videos on topics that target the viewers of those countries. Keep in mind that ADSENSE will target ads in the appropriate language of your content. As you can see from the graphic, the countries that speak English have the highest CPM. Ad types also determine how much money your channel generates. According to my channel, skippable video ads get served the most. These are the ads that typically appear when you first start playing the video. You can skip the video in the first 5 seconds, or if you skip it in the first 30 seconds, the advertiser doesn't pay for the ad. Here are all the types of ads that you can display on your videos. You have display ads, overlay ads, sponsored cards, skippable video ads, and non-skippable video ads. You can maximize your earning potential by turning on all the ad formats, but just keep in mind you don't want to turn off your viewers by having too many ads on your videos. YouTube recently reduced the length of a midroll ad from 10 minutes down to 8 minutes. This means if you create an 8-minute video, you can put multiple ad breaks in the video. All you have to do is click on Manage Midroll Ads. You can have YouTube to place the ads automatically throughout your video, or you can do it manually. I highly recommend placing the ad breaks manually instead of placing them automatically. Typically, I'll put them at the end of a sentence or when I change topics. If you have a live stream video that's typically 30, 40, or 60 minutes long, then you can add more than a few ad breaks in that video. Just make sure that you don't overdo it so there's not too many interruptions for your viewers. YouTube says that you can increase the chance of YouTube suggesting your content by increasing your click-through rate and your watch time. If you want to increase your click-through rate, you have to design a clickable thumbnail that stands out from your competitors' thumbnails. If only a few people click on your thumbnail, you're going to get a low click-through rate. This will send a message to YouTube that not many people are interested in your content, so they won't serve your video to more people's watch pages. One of the best ways to improve your click-through rate is to split test different thumbnails. I've discovered that making one small tweak to a thumbnail can improve its click-through rate over another thumbnail. For instance, you might change the color, the text, or have no text at all. By split testing 2 different thumbnails, you can quickly determine which thumbnail gets the highest click-through rate and gets more views and subscribers. A secret weapon for split testing thumbnails is the legend option in TubeBuddy. I'll place a link to TubeBuddy in the description below this video. Use promo code HermansBuddy to get 20% off any paid option. As I mentioned earlier, you can increase the chance of YouTube suggesting your content if you increase your watch time. Okay, but how do I do that? Click the link in the description to watch my video on what is a good audience retention on YouTube. When more viewers click on your thumbnail and watch your video all the way through, you'll generate more revenue from your YouTube channel. This is because you're attracting a larger audience and keeping them engaged on your videos. Not all keyword phrases are created equal. As I showed you previously, this topic gets a CPM over $165. This topic only gets a CPM over $5. I've discovered that how-to tutorials generally have a lower CPM than business tutorials. That's why a topic such as how to promote a product on ClickBank gets a higher CPM than how to make a playlist. One of the best tools for seeing the cost per click of a keyword phrase that you're researching is Keywords Everywhere. I'll place a link to Keywords Everywhere in the description below this video. If I enter the keyword phrase how to promote ClickBank in YouTube search, I get all these suggestions. The highest cost per click is this keyword phrase how to promote ClickBank products without a website with free traffic, $8.63. The lowest cost per click is this keyword phrase how to promote ClickBank products on Pinterest, which has zero cost per click. So as you can see, the keyword phrases that you use in the titles of your videos will determine how much ad revenue you're going to generate for that video. Another tool you can use is Ubersuggest. If I enter the keyword phrase how to promote ClickBank products, you can see the cost per click ranges from $9.82 down to $0. So if I want to generate more revenue from my YouTube video, I choose the topic how to promote ClickBank products over the topic how to promote ClickBank products on Facebook ads. Just keep in mind the amount of views that you get will determine how much money you make from that video. Obviously, you're going to make more money from a video that's getting 50,000 views every 28 days than from a video that's getting 2,000 views every 28 days, even if it has a higher CPM. Therefore, a high click-through rate and a high watch time is going to make a big difference on the amount of revenue you generate from your channel. Google doesn't guarantee they'll always display relevant ads on your YouTube videos. For example, they may not serve ads for a specific search query. Alternatively, if you swear in your videos, that might prevent ads from being displayed on your videos because they're not family safe. No ads means your video won't generate any revenue. Make sure you allow personalized ads to be displayed on your videos. Go into your channel settings, select Channel, Advanced Settings, then make sure the box that says Disable Interest-Based Ads is unchecked. If you check the box that says Turning off interest-based advertising may result in fewer ads being eligible to show in your channel and potentially less ad revenue. Other factors, as mentioned earlier, include ad types, geography, language, number of ads appearing in your videos, and if viewers are clicking and watching your videos. But Herman, how can I make money on YouTube when I'm not a member of the YouTube Partner Program? No worries, just watch the video on the screen right now on how to make money on YouTube without 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers.